And this is Mercedes-Benz GLK 350. This is 2015 model. Red in creamy interior leather seat, very affordable. And this is Toyota Tacoma. This is Toyota Tacoma 2008 model. This car has a fabric interior, very affordable. V8 engine, buy and drive. And here we go. This is 2007 Toyota Highlander. This car has a leather interior, V6 engine. All these cars are very affordable. Okay, you can buy and drive. You have nothing to worry about or fix in this car. This is 2014 ES350 foreign use. It has black interior, and this is Avalon 20. This is 2016 black in, black out, with a very clean mileage. This is 2017 Toyota RAV4. This car has a clean, sweet, creamy leather interior, and this is foreign use. Here we have Lexus GX460. Okay, this is 2015 GX460. It has a clean leather seat interior, is ventilated, and it's foreign use. And this is RX 350 2020 model with a very clean black leather interior. Come and see the interior of this car.
If you want to buy any of your car, call us on 080-3312-8914.
This is foreign use. This is the interior, a leather seat interior, black, keyless entry, mouse, AC, reverse camera. Take a look at the back seat. And this car also has a sunroof. Let me show you the review. This is a review of this Lexus RX 350 2020 model. It is very affordable. Come and see this Lexus RX 350. This is black color. This is 2017 model, V6 engine, buy and drive, nothing to fix, is foreign use. And this is Highlander, very affordable. This is 2022 Highlander. It has a leather interior and is ventilated, very affordable, and it's also negotiable. This is Toyota Camry. They are trying to fix bonnet, something in the bonnet. This is Sport Edition XSE. And this is 2019 Highlander. It has a black leather seat interior, very affordable. And this is another Toyota Highlander. We are going to see the interior of this one. It has a chocolate interior, and this is 2018 model. It has keyless entry. You can see it's ventilated seat, the AC, everything in this car is clean, and it has a third row seat, AC vent on the roof, and also a sunroof. These cars are clean. Let me show you the review. You can see the review of this Highlander 2018 model. If you're interested in this car, just call the dealer for inquiries and negotiation.
My name is Mr. Boniface. Welcome to Murad Autos. If you want to buy any of your car, call us on 080-3312-8914. 080-331-28914. You can also chat us on the same number on WhatsApp. Our address is located at number 10 Rumola Stadium Link Road, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria.